Target games, Butterball. Target games are activities where players send an object, such as a ball, shutter, or disc, toward a specific target to score points or achieve an objective. The main goal is accuracy, control, and strategy rather than speed or physical contact. They can be played individually or in teams, in competitive or recreational settings. For example, the archery, golf, bowling, billiards, kickball, agawan buko, and butterball. Butterball is a simpler version of these games that can play here at school. It is fun, lead up game that prepares us for learning more complex sports like a softball. Butterball is a lead-up game to softball that teaches batting, catching, throwing, and running. It is usually played in schools because it requires simple equipment. The game promotes teamwork, sportsmanship, discipline, and physical fitness. For our guidelines or rules, 1. The game has two teams, the batting team and the fielding team. Second, the batter hits the ball with the bat. Third, after hitting, the batter must run around the bases or the cones or markers in order, aiming to return the home base. 4. The fielding team tries to catch the ball and tag the batter before they reach the base. 5th, if the batter reaches home base safely, their team scores a run or a point. 6. If tagged before reaching a base, the batter is out and the next player comes up to bat. Then lastly, 7. Team switches roles, batting and fielding, after all batters have had their turn. Basic skills in Butterball. 1. Batting, holding the ball properly and hitting the ball. Eyes on the ball, swing with control, not just power. 2. Catching, stepping or catching the ball to get the batter out. Hands ready, eyes focused on the ball. Move quickly to where the ball goes. Throwing, passing the ball quickly and accurately to teammates. Step with the opposing foot of your throwing hand. Aim at the target and release smoothly. 4th, base. Base running, running around the bases after hitting the ball. Let us go with the values learned. First, the sportsmanship, respecting rules, teammates, and opponents. Second, the discipline, following turn order and playing fairly. Third, teamwork, cooperating with your team to score points and defend against opponents. Then lastly, fourth, the respect, congratulating winners and accepting losers gracefully. For our activities, Activity 1, Good Player, Better Player. Instructions. The teacher will read out different game situations that may happen in Butterball. Students will raise their right hand if the action shows sportsmanship and discipline, and their left hand if it shows poor behavior. After each situation, ask a few students to explain why the action is good or not. The teacher will emphasize the value of respect, fairness, and discipline in games. Activity 2, Sportsmanship, Role Play. Instructions. The class will be divided into 5 groups. Pick one representative per group to pick a scenario. Each group will be assigned one scenario related to Butterball. Groups will have 2 to 3 minutes to prepare a short role play. And after preparing, each group will have 2 to 3 minutes to perform. After performing, the teacher will ask, how well did this group show respect? And the other students will respond. The teacher will emphasize the importance of respect in every situation. For our activity 3, mini butterball game. Instructions. Divide the class into 2 teams. Set up a small playing field using cones. Assign one team as batters and the other is as fielders. The batting team takes turns hitting the ball with the bat or substitute it with the soft bat, and running two bases. The fielding team tries to catch or retrieve the ball and tag the runner. After a few rounds, switch roles so both teams experience batting and fielding. For our reflection questions, 1. What did you enjoy most while playing butterball today? 2. What skills did you find easy or difficult during the game and why? Then, third, how did you and your teammates show discipline and sportsmanship while playing butterball? And I hope you learned a lot from today. Thank you. Bye bye.